All paracord used in today's project is 4 mil thick. Today's project I call Victorian Christmas.
Stockings hanging neatly on a paracord line. It's a cozy Christmas.
Right. We have a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 15 inches long, 38.1 centimeters. Both melded together to form a loop. Both loops connected to form our core. Colors we are using is red and green. The length of both of them are 72 inches, 182.88 centimeters. You're going to need a lighter of some sort of fire, scissors, something sharp, cut, whatever. The presser I used in a marlin spike. I'll tell you what, let's do it. We're going to be going in through the side of the cow hitches. We're going to start out with the red, and it's going to be an infinity start. Okay, the red from the right side, from underneath, comes in between 2 and 3, and it shows there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. 4 strands in between 2 and 3, and off to the left. The one that's on the left goes over the red from the left, comes from the bottom underneath in between 2 and 3, then goes down to the loop on the right side, and it's got 8 on its side, which is the infinity. Now the green from the right side goes over, down in between 2 and 3, comes up in between 3 and 4, then goes off to the front. The green from the left side goes down in between 2 and 3, comes up in between 1 and 2, and on the left side of that green. Slide it up, down, until tight, There we go. Now the green that is on the right side comes underneath, in between 2 and 3, and then back under through the loop. Left side is a mirror image. Comes from the bottom, up in between 2 and 3, and then goes over through the loop onto the left side. Now, taking the green from the right side, we do an infinity knot. Comes underneath, up in between 2 and 3, goes off to the left. The green already on the left goes over the first green, and it goes under and up from the bottom, comes in between 2 and 3, then goes down to the loop on the right side, and it's making our infinity knot, or figure 8 on the side. Now, red from the right side goes over, down in between 2 and 3, comes up in between 3 and 4, and then goes off the side. The red from the left side goes over everything, down in between 2 and 3, comes up in between 1 and 2 on the left side of that hollow red. Push everything up, tighten, red,
paracord line. It's a cozy Christmas, a moment so divine. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines.
Now red from the right side comes underneath, up in between 2 and 3, and then back, across to the loop, and baseball tie. From the left side, mirror image, comes up in between 2 and 3, and goes back under to the loop you made on the left side. Now you've seen both knots twice. Just follow along. If I tend to get too fast for you, you can slow down. Or if you already got the knot figured out, go to the end to find out how we finish.
Tying knots by the fireside, right tight and true. Paracord snowflakes twinkling just for you. Stockings hanging neatly on a paracord line. It's a cozy Christmas, a moment so divine. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines. With love and laughter, hearts entwined. Gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Oh, paracorded Christmas, feeling just right. Singing with the family, old carols till dawn. Twisting and weaving till our cares are gone. Garlands wrapped around a tree so tall. It's a paracord wonderland for one and all. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines. With love and laughter, hearts entwined. Gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Oh, paracorded Christmas, feeling just right. Braiding our dreams under mistletoe, wishing on a knot for the love we know. Peace and joy in each braided strand, a paracord Christmas in this winterland. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines. With love and laughter, hearts entwined. Gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Oh, paracorded Christmas, feeling just right. Tying knots by the fireside, right tight and true. Paracord snowflakes twinkling just for you. Stockings hanging neatly on a paracord line. It's a cozy Christmas, a moment so divine. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines. With love and laughter, hearts entwined. Gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Oh, paracorded Christmas, feeling just right. Singing with the family, old carols till dawn.